Your bank is not on your side. I know it feels that way. The friendly app, the cashback, the free checking account. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your bank makes billions every year, and most of that money comes from people exactly like you. In the next 5 minutes, I will show you exactly how they do it and 5 simple moves to stop it. Let's go. Start with the simplest trick. You deposit your money and you think it just sits there waiting for you. It doesn't. The moment your money lands in the account, the bank lends it out to someone else. You earn almost nothing, maybe 0.5% if you're lucky. The borrower pays the bank 10, 15, 20%. The bank keeps the difference. Your money is working hard every single day. It's just not working for you. Next, credit cards. This is the bank's favorite product, and there is a reason for that. They give you a grace period, and it sounds like a gift, but banks don't give gifts. They know the statistics. Most people don't pay the full balance on time, and the moment you miss it, the interest kicks in, 25, 30% a year. That coffee you bought last month, you're still paying for it. Credit card interest makes banks more money than almost anything else they do. Now the fees. One by one, they look tiny. A monthly maintenance fee, a transfer fee, an out-of-network ATM fee, a paper statement fee, $3 here, $5 there. You barely notice, but the bank multiplies those tiny numbers by millions of customers, and suddenly it's billions of dollars. You're not being robbed all at once. You're being drained slowly, a few dollars at a time. Let me put real numbers on it. Say you pay $12 a month in maintenance fees, a couple of transfer fees, one wrong ATM. That's maybe $25 a month. Sounds like nothing. That's $300 a year. Over 10 years, that's $3,000, and that's before a single cent of credit card interest. If a stranger asked you for $3,000 on the street, you'd say no. But when it leaves your account $5 at a time, you never even notice. And here's the quiet one. Overdraft. The bank lets you spend money you don't have. Sounds helpful, right? It's actually one of the most expensive loans you can take. A $35 fee for going $2 over. Do that a few times a year and you're paying the bank hundreds of dollars for your own mistake on a loan you never even asked for. Currency exchange, same story. You see the official rate in the news and you assume that's what you get. You don't. The bank gives you a slightly worse rate and pockets the difference. It's called the spread. On one transaction, it's pennies. Across every customer, every day, it's a fortune. And the sneakiest trick of all, your savings account. The bank pays you a tiny interest rate while prices keep rising. A year later, your money buys less than it did before. On paper, you lost nothing. In reality, your money quietly melted while the bank used it for free the entire time. Do you see the pattern? The bank doesn't make money when you win. The bank makes money on your inattention, your rush, and your habit of never reading the fine print. This isn't a conspiracy, it's just their business model. And until you see it, you're not the customer, you're the product. Here's the good news. You can flip this today. 5 simple moves. Move number 1, separate your money. Keep your spending money wherever it's convenient, but move your savings to a high yield account where it actually earns something. Let your money work for you, not for them. Move number 2, pay your credit card in full every month, no exceptions. If you can't pay it in full, you can't afford the purchase yet. That one rule alone kills the bank's favorite income stream. Move number 3, once a month, open your statement and hunt down every fee. Most of them can be turned off with one phone call or one tap in the app. Move number 4, turn off overdraft protection if you don't need it. It takes 2 minutes and it protects you from the dumbest debt of your life. Move number 5, before any big transfer or exchange, compare 2 or 3 options. 1 minute of comparison can save you more than you think. None of this is complicated. A bank is just a tool. The problem is when the tool uses you. The difference between their favorite customer and a smart one is simple. The smart one reads the rules. Pick one move from this list and do it today. 1 canceled fee, 1 paid off card, 1 savings transfer. That's how you stop playing their game and start playing yours. If this opened your eyes to even one thing, subscribe. On this channel, we break down money in plain English. No fluff, no get-rich-quick promises. Just how the system really works. See you in the next one.